So today I thought I'd make a video about my new Arai Tour X5. It's a great helmet. I already knew because this is the X4, excellent helmet, and the X5 is even better. But I just wanted to make a quick video about how you can change the visor on your helmet. With the X4 it was very difficult. You have to get these bolts free, like with a coin or something like that. And on the other side, but you cannot leave the visor out of it. You have to put a new one in it. And I ride a lot with goggles, so that's not always the best way to go. So the X5 has something different. And I'll show you how it works. So with the helmet you have a little tab here. You push it and that's it. That's all loose. But I have to do the other side as well. So let's see. That's it. You have your visor like this. Just pop it out. And on the other side, well, it goes without saying. Like so. That's in. The other side. Click it in and you're already done. So this one's in, that one's in, and you don't have to do anything. Anything else? Now you can run it with the visor. You can change your visor, of course, this way, and you can run it without or with the beak. So this one. It's a lot more modular than the X4, so I like it. Good helmet, good system, very modular. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.